Hi guys, welcome today to day 14 of 28 May 2020 of the live trading analysis for Forex and commodities. So day 13 was actually done, but after doing it, I realized that the voice the microphone was not recorded. So as a result, I could not upload it. You could see me moving the screens and all, but you could not hear me. And what happened was we actually went into add on additional positions for pound dollar, and the other noteworthy one was loonies, right? So let's just jump right into it. So this is my current position. Aussie dollars still making profits, but pound dollar has actually made some unrealized losses. So we're gonna look at it later. So first off, it's the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar is line is up, pink line is up, but red line is a little bit flat, and the blue line is down. So we're in a cross current mode. So wanna actually see what is the picture here, and over the next couple of days we could see that um, the red line would still be turning up, given that over the next couple of days it will start to come down, take off lower numbers. So still alright in terms of being positioned in a concurrent mode. uh, but for the price to actually kind of like taper off, there isn't much of a strength here. So as well as we're seeing kind of like there isn't a divergence, but we just want to see how this price movement goes. So as of now, still can long, but picture has to be taken day at a time to make sure that we are on the right side of the trade. So we'll still hold on to my Aussie dollar for now. Next is cotton. Cotton, we have the trend starting to be flat but turning up, and is within the margin of error to turn up. Red line is down, and would see that it's coming. Blue line is also down, so we are actually seeing red line strong down as well. So over the next couple of days, as it takes off the higher numbers, we will see it get flat, more pointed downwards. So it's a cross current mode. So no trade for cotton. Crude oil next would be well, picture is down, red line is up, blue line is down. So when this is down and red line is up, we're in a cross current mode, so we don't want to take a trade, but we want to see if there's anticipations for it to become pointing in the same direction. So over the next few days, no, we don't see picture turning any time upwards. So this is down, and we would see that it, let me see, so over the next couple of days, the blue line will take off pretty much little higher numbers. So we'll see that it could then turn down more. So oil might be situated where it could drop further. So yeah, we could look to short this actually over the next couple of days. But for now, holding off the trades because um, in fact, based on the numbers here, right, if it takes off higher numbers, so and price continues to stay here, this will actually start coming down. So with that in mind, we could actually be looking to short this. So crude oil, I would look at shorting, right? So we can short here, and at 11587, and the stop loss we will probably put up is anywhere somewhere around the high of this candle to make the picture turn a little bit too bullish. So the high is 17.81. So that's for crude oil. We would short this market. Euro dollar, too choppy. We skip this. Pound is starting to have, so we actually bought, and line is turning up. Blue line down, red line is turning up as well, as it's turning up. But over the next couple of days, within 1 2 3 4 5, in fact less than 5 days, if price doesn't move up, we will be seeing somewhat a pretty flat pink line. So don't really like this trade as much as before, given that the up green bar has come back down. So yeah, so we might need to just sit on tight and let the market do its work. Yeah, so just still holding on to the trade for now. Lines shows that, you know, up and up can buy, but over the next couple of days, 1 2 3 4 5, it would start to become flat if price continues to stay here. So just want to be careful of that. So gold, pink line up, red line down, so it's in a cross current mode with a blue line turning up at the moment, with a little bit up with the current pricing. So disappointed with the picture of how gold has actually turned out with strong up bars, but didn't continue upwards. So over the next couple of days, we could see that it will still be a sustained downwards kind of a movement, with these blue lines would be taking off higher numbers. So red line is down, so we are seeing a cross current mode, so no trade for gold this point in time. And next is natural gas. Natural gas is so choppy, I'm not gonna look at it further because we really want to trade the strongest trends. And platinum is turning up, uptrend. Red line is down, so it's currently cross current mode. So no trade as of now. Expect to have choppiness in the market. But I remember stating a couple of days back, earlier on Monday, is to take profits today, which is on Monday. So if you have taken profits on 26th of May, so that would be this bar here. And right now we are entering a picture where it's pretty choppy. So yeah, no trade as well for this one, given that the cross current trend is formed over here. Alright, loonies. Loonies trend is slightly down. Pink line down, red line down, blue line up. So when pink and red line is pointing the same direction down, in this case we can look for shorts. So yeah, let's look for shorts. What did I say yesterday? Yeah, we can look to sell. Yesterday we can look to sell in the next 1-2 days where there is a retracement. So true enough, prices kind of stopped over here, and having a little green movement upwards at the moment. So USD Canadian, we could look to shorts in 1 to 2 days, and it could even look to short a little bit right now. But given that the blue line is so low, has it been even lower in the past? So there is one part which it went even lower right over here during this part. So we could look to short this market, but expected to have some kind of retracement over the next couple of days. So let's see. We could look to short, even though if it is at its recent low, past few months of a low in terms of the blue line. So let's see. I just want to make sure that the trend is strong enough. So the thing that I have some kind of a problem here is that I might not want to take this trade yet, because given that we are entering the phase period where it's the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it could be somewhat a little it take off higher numbers, but it will taper off over here, so making it a bit flat. So I think it's still better to just wait it off a little bit over the next 1, 2 days and see how the price pan out. So we may miss the boat over here, it may just drop further, but I don't want to take this trade. I want to be a more cautious side of things, because over the next couple of days, when price starts to take off the lower numbers, we start to see that the trend will not be as strong. So hang on to the trades, but if you guys have higher risk to take on, could actually short the market here. But I prefer to stay on the sidelines and wait a couple of days more to have some kind of to see how this today's pricing end up to be, and see if you can actually position ourselves to have a better pricing for a short. Okay, dollar yen is very flat and not seeing any opportunities to long or short, so we'll skip them. So yeah, that's all for today. Aussie dollar, pound dollar, I'm in. So making a little bit of profits at the moment overall. So yeah, crude oil able to short, and loonies able to short if you have higher risk, but I prefer to stay on the sidelines. So yeah, that's all for today. See you guys.